Hello, everybody. This is Hoot Helps. So, a few of you guys have asked about how you guys are supposed to be able to center your image from within your web page. So, this video is going to go through an easy fix on how to go through all that. So, I've got an image over here which takes about 80% of the whole width. I'm using the VW metric over here. And I've got the image tag here with the image that I want to center. So, the easy fix would have been to put it into a div element or a section or a block element in general, and then set the text alignment property, the CSS text alignment property to center. Here, let me just demonstrate that to you. So I'll just put in a div element and surround it like this. Depending on whether you have multiple different divisions or different sections, you may want to have identifiers to separate the containers like this, from each other. You can use classes if you've got multiple different divisions that you want to apply this to, or if you just want the one, you just put an ID. I'm just placing an ID of image container, and right in here, depending on where you've placed in your CSS, whether in this case it's embedded or if you put it in an external file, you're gonna want to target that image that you just entered here. So since I've put in image container as my ID for the div element that I just created, I'm going to go ahead and put in image container. And then from here, I'll put the text alignment to center. Now, the thing about the image tag is that it works in the same way as how text is. So while this property here is supposed to supposed to target your text, right? It will center up any inline elements, and image is one of those elements that you can consider as an inline element in this case. So if I were to save this, notice that the image has now been centered, and there you go. This is just an easy fix, on how you want to go about centering your image inside your web page. Hope this helps, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.